Okay, get ready for this fourth flight of this day. Join the T-28. Coming in low over the field from the left. Coming in back low from the left. Don't worry, I'm behind you. Don't worry. Don't worry, I see. Okay. I'll escort you. Escort you down. Good landing.
Is that the plane style that you see on like flight tests? They talk like one of the fastest.
No, probably not flight test. This is a Hobby King plane.
Okay.
Flight test may have done a video with this, like a long time ago, maybe. But this has been around for a while. The EFX. This is the EFX racer, and I have the other cousin. Basically, it's the same thing almost, except the wing. The EF Extra, that red one over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
thing is incredible.
This is a real fun plane to fly.
I bet.
Like, it has plenty of thrust to weight to play with.
Yeah, it definitely seems that way. Wow. What kind of batteries are you using?
It's a 4.
It's
It's
a
a
4?
4, yeah. It's a small 4. It's a 1554S.
Huh. So you got the voltage, but you got limited flight time on it?
Yeah, like it's not gonna give like 7 minutes plus. The timer for this is set to 4 minutes. Now, you know, like if I milk you know, if I milk the throttle like this
Yeah.
for most of flight, I can probably get like 6, maybe close to 7 minutes. But my average is set to 4, so I generally come in around like 4 minutes or a little bit more. But yeah, no, it tracks really well. Once you have everything centered, like you just point it, throttle, and it goes. And it glides real well too.
That's what I noticed. You pull
like,
the throttle off, it's still.
Yeah.
I guess it's got a pretty wing loading for that, so it just glides.
Glides well. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, I mean, if you want, you can milk the throttle and just coast around like this, and you can probably squeeze like maybe close to 6, maybe close to 7 minutes. But yeah, average time I have it for 4.
1 minute and 7 seconds.
See, and like even then, I still have a minute, because like the timer doesn't, it's not constantly going.
Right.
It's only on when there's any throttle. So like anytime I'm off the throttle, the timer's not going anyway. So.
Want to get the cub out?
You want to? Yeah.
Okay.
I'll pull that for you.
You got a little hanger, huh?
He's building one.
Oh.
He's definitely building one. His room's become a hanger.
Ah, I know how that is.